Find the total surface area and volume of a composite three-dimensional shape consisting of a cylinder and a cone. So we're going to do both the surface area and the volume, so you have an example of each. Now the surface area will consist of the lateral area of a cone plus the lateral area of a cylinder and the floor. Now you might think, well, the floor is inside, but no, it's not. When we say surface area, that's all the outside pieces. And if I pick this thing up and turn it, there's one circle, not two. That one below the cone doesn't count because that's inside. It's the outside surfaces. So our formula will look like this. Our total area will be the lateral area of a cone. That's pi r L. Remember, L is the slant height. Plus the lateral area of a cylinder, which is 2 pi r h, plus one circle, that's pi r squared. So the first thing we need to do then is find the slant height. Well, this is a handy Pythagorean triple. It's a 3, 4, 5, but remember, if you didn't recognize that, there's a right angle right there, and this is 3 squared plus 4 squared equals L squared. 9 plus 16 is L squared, so 25 is L squared. Take the square root of both sides, and L is 5. It's a 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. So our total area is pi times the radius, 3, times the slant height, that's L, that's 5, plus, now we're doing the cylinder, that's 2 pi times the radius, which is 3, times the height of the cylinder, which is 4, plus the circle, which is pi r squared, that's pi times 3 squared. So let's work all this out. That's 15 pi plus 2 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 24 pi plus 9 pi. So our total area is 48 pi. And area is measured in squares, so that's inches squared. The volume is the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of a cone. The volume of a cylinder is the area of the base, which is a circle, pi r squared, times the height. Oh, that's not the height. That's the height. Pi r squared h, plus, remember that a cone is a third of a cylinder. That's 1/3 pi r squared h. 1/3 of a cylinder with the same radius and height. So let's plug our numbers in. That's pi times 3 squared times the height of the cylinder is 4 plus 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height of the cone, which is 4. So let's simplify. That's 9 times 4, which is 36 pi, plus 9 times 4 again is 36, divided by 3 is 12 pi. 36 and 12 make 48 pi, and that would be inches cubed. Now on this one, we're going to find the exact value because the numbers work out nicely.